Why do 80% of successful entrepreneurs use Skool.com to grow their business? Let's find out. Skool.com is your one-stop platform to build, engage, and monetize your online community. Imagine creating courses, hosting discussions, and interacting with your members, all in one place. With Skool, you can build a vibrant community where members post, share experiences, and ask questions. And the best part? The gamification feature. A leaderboard keeps your members motivated and engaged through a fun points system. Got exclusive content? Skool's Classroom tab lets you monetize through membership subscriptions and deliver your courses seamlessly. Plus, never miss a beat with the calendar feature for scheduling events like Zoom meetings and live streams. Skool is user-friendly and comes with a mobile app, making it accessible anytime, anywhere. Learn how you can make money online with Skool.com without paying the high monthly fee. Ready to crush it on Skool? Click the first link in the description for our Skoolify course. And join our free Skool community with the second link. Let's make your online business thrive.